Hi, Scott Folk here from Apex Tactical Specialties, today to talk to you about the Action Enhancement Kit for the Smith Wesson SD and SDVE series pistols. This kit contains a polymer action enhancement trigger with a center-mounted pivoting safety, a sear spring, a striker spring, a trigger return spring, and a striker block spring, all reducing trigger pull by about 2 pounds from factory when installed. The SD series pistol is a great gun. It's incredibly affordable, very durable, very simple gun. The only problem most people complain about is the trigger pull seems really heavy and kind of gritty. Well, that's where our kit comes in. The installation of our trigger body and all of our springs lightens things up, smooths it out, and makes this gun an absolute pleasure to shoot. We recently updated our install videos to include the magazine disconnect models of the SD and SD9VE pistols. So if you have a magazine disconnect or none, our videos now cover the complete disassembly and reassembly of your pistol. If you have any questions or problems with installation, feel free to contact us at apextactical.com.